More Lackawanna League action up in Lakeland. The 5-0 Dunmore Bucks in town to take on the Chiefs at 4-2. Dunmore, they get off to a rapid start in this game thanks to Carter Sloan catching fire in the first quarter. 4 3-pointers. He would finish the game with 19 points. Lakeland fighting back on home court. Chase Rosenkrantz using the screen. Hits from the elbow. He had a team-high 11 points. And the Chiefs were using the three-point game to get back in this one. There's another triple from the home white. But watch the fundamentals from this Bucks team. Some great ball movement leads to an easy Luke Franek lay-in, and Dunmore in complete control all evening. Now back-to-back years starting 6-0. Here's Braden Canavan drilling a three, and the Bucks would go on the road and beat the Chiefs 59-45. Out in District 4, Loyalsock hosting Jersey Shore.
Number 1, Braden Canavan. That guard, 6-foot junior, number 10, Carter Sloan. That guard, 6-foot senior, number